Hello viewers, Aslam here from LeadsFlex. Welcome back to my channel, and that's the second video of our playlist of GoHighLevel free course in which we are going to learn from basic to advanced complete GoHighLevel. This video about what is GoHighLevel, and I will explain step by step what is GoHighLevel and how we can use for our business and our agencies and our social media marketing. Whatever your local business you have, you can use GoHighLevel. I will explain in a bit and how it works. I will explain all the main features right now in this video, and in the next video I will let you know how many ways you can make money with the GoHighLevel. I will explain step by step as well. So basically GoHighLevel is all-in-one marketing platform in which we can manage leads, we can generate leads, and we can convert them as a customer, and we can sell them our offers. Right now top CRM in the world, and I will show you step by step how it's top CRM and what they functions, and I will show you the all functionalities and tools of GoHighLevel. So till now they are using 60,000 plus user, 1.4 million businesses, and they generate 6 to 2 million leads, and even they have conversion 14 billion. So it's GoHighLevel has everything you need to succeed. Yeah, they are right. They have everything you need to succeed in online business, and if you have your local business and if you have your offline business, that tool will help you to succeed for your business, and it will help you for every aspect of your business. So here is the main feature of GoHighLevel that we are going to learn, and we are going to use this tool. The first step of GoHighLevel is capture lead. They capture lead, and the second is they nurture the leads, and third is close the leads. In the next step they have explained each and everything. For capturing lead, they have their creative website design system, they have funnel design builder, they have landing page design, and easy to use their funnel designer builder and their website designer builder. It's a simple drag and drop. It's like a Wix, it's like a Squarespace, or it's like a WordPress. It's a too easy drag and drop builder for both funnels and a landing page and websites as well. And you can schedule your appointment booking as well from your calendars, from your website. In the next step, what we can do when we capture the lead, then we start nurturing the leads. You see, GoHighLevel have all the features that we need to capture the leads. It should be a websites, and it should be a forms, it should be a scheduling, it should be a calendars. They have all things for capturing the leads. So our next step is nurturing the leads. Every business have 3 steps. One is a capture lead, then nurture them, then convert them a client. So we are right now on a second step. For nurturing the leads, they have very strong system for emails campaign, for SMS campaign. Even right now they have their own AI build system for calls and SMS as well. So easy to customize your follow-ups campaigns. Yeah, they are right. They are super easy. You can create your own emails campaign, and you can create you can run your emails, create multi-channels campaigns. Yes, you can create multi-channels campaigns for SMS, for emails, even Facebook Messenger, and also you can Instagram messengers as well. Two-way communication. Yeah, they allow their two-way communications, and right now they have their own AI assistant. They should be used for, you can use for calls, you can use for SMS, and you can use for booking as well. And the third step is a fully automated booking. And you see, we have capture lead, we have nurture leads, so we will going to convert them a customer. For converting them, we have complete automated nurturing conversations and fully customizable messaging system in which we will send personal messages, we will send personalized messages, personalized call, and personalized notes, voice notes as well, and make sure we can convert them our client. And right now they have very strong artificial intelligence integrated with their system, so you can use AI system for chatbots, for voice agent, for calls, and for voice note, for SMS, for email as well, and you can convert them easily with this AI system that they have in a GoHighLevel. So you see here, you see they have 40-day free trial as well. But if you can watch this video till end, and I will provide you a link in description where you get 30-day free trial and you can check it's work for you or not. And I can teach you step by step as well. If you go with my affiliate link in description, you will get, instead of 14-day trial, you will get 30-day trials. Fourth main tool is creating membership areas. You can fully create membership area for your course, for your paid memberships, for your trainings, for your coaches, for your program, for your local business. It's all about the membership area. You can create your own membership community and your own community for your business, community for your course. You can sell your course. Each and everything that a basic LMS you need, they have in a GoHighLevel. And another feature is a close more deals. Yes, manage your workflows and pipelines. They have their complete CRM system where you have opportunity, then you have pipeline. In pipeline you have different stages. For example, nurturing leads and response leads, convert leads, hot lead, sales lead, won lead. They all have a pipeline and stages you can customize according to your business and according to your requirement. In the next videos and next lectures, I will explain you step by step, so you will got idea how it work. And they have their own complete all these tools to grow your business. Yeah, they are pretty sure you can increase your business and with the GoHighLevel. And the last and most famous and most useful feature of GoHighLevel is white label platform. It's not about selling just services, use your business. It's about you can sell this software, this tool to your customer, to your audience as well. If you have very good audience, if you have a customer, you can sell them for their business as well. For example, you can just click you can just customize your GoHighLevel and you can sell them to your customer. I just show you demo as well. Here you see that's my GoHighLevel. I just customize it. I just make my domain. Here you see there is no GoHighLevel. There is no GoHighLevel branding, and here is my branding. It's all detail is mine. So I have changed colors, I have changed everything, I have removed all these things. So that's I did white label this GoHighLevel, and right now I am selling to my customer and my employees and my business, my local business as well. So it's super easy. You can do as well. And you can sell them to your customer and your audience and your sub business, and you can get monthly recurring payments from your customer. They have very good support system. I am witness for this, because they are ready for 24 hours to support you. And also they have their own complete system how you can manage these all the things and all the tools and functionality. And here you can see if you want to buy your CRM, for CRM you need to pay $97 per month. For sales and funnels management you need to pay this. For ClickFunnels and leads, and for website builder you need to pay $29 to $2,200 per month, like Wix, WordPress and Squarespace. And for survey and form you have to be. In some of these all tool is one GoHighLevel. It's not $297, even you can buy in a 97 plan as well. No need to buy $297 plan. Here you see plan, you can buy in a 97 as well. I can provide you link in a description. You can go with my affiliate link. Once you got 30-day free trial, you can check complete 30-day, not 14 days. So you will get idea it's work for you or not. In the next video I will explain you how you can make money with the GoHighLevel step by step, and I will show you some famous method and some techniques and tips as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's meet in our next tutorial.